Good morning to all my friends and well-wishers. Step into our channel once again. This is your Santosh, Square Maths YouTube channel. So, we are going to discuss most important and interesting problem connected to NTSC 2016-17 and falls under plane geometry. So, let us switch on to our question now. In the figure, angle D is 90 degrees, AB is 16, BC is 12, CA is 6. Then we have determined the value of CD. All are in centimeters given. 13 by 6 is A option, 17 by 6 is B option, C option is 19 by 6 and D option is 18 by 5. So after looking over the question, don't be scared. Okay, little it may be some difficult. Just we have to apply the Pythagoras theorem because given triangle is right angle triangle, angle is 90 degrees. Okay, let us mark the values now. Here what are the various values here? This is AB is given 16 and AC is given 6 and BC is given 12. Let us mark this as some K. CD we have to determine. Next this one is X. Okay, AD is X. Let us start now. Here, since angle is 90 degrees, angle D is common for both the triangles. Which one? ACD and ABD. So let us consider the triangle ACD. So solution follows. In triangle ACD, angle A is 90 degrees. Okay, so therefore I can write now, since angle A is 90 degrees in ACD, AC square is equal to CD square plus AD square by applying the Pythagoras theorem. So this implies AC is nothing but 6, so 6 square is equal to K square plus X square and K square is equal to 36 minus X square. Implies I can write K is equal to root of 36 minus X square. So right from here to here the basic level steps. No need to explain very clearly because we are discussing about competitive level examinations. Okay. So mark as this one as equation 1. Okay. So now consider triangle. Which triangle? ABD. Triangle ABD. In ABD triangle, angle D is again 90 degrees. Again applying the Pythagoras theorem. Since angle D is 90 degrees, AB is a hypotenuse. I can write now. So this implies AB square is equal to BD square plus here AD square. Okay. So now what is AB here? AB is 16. So 16 square is equal to BD. BD is nothing but it is a combination of BC and CD. So I can write now here BC plus CD the whole square and AD is nothing but our X square. So this implies now I can write here this is 256, 16 square, 16 into 16 and this BC is nothing but our BC is 12 plus CD is nothing but here. Okay, CD is our, I can write, okay, CD square, so root of 36 minus X square the whole square, here the whole square plus X square. Okay, next this implies now 256 is equal to expand in the form of A plus B whole square. So A square plus root of 36 minus X square the whole square. So A square plus B square plus 2AB plus 2 into 12 into root of 36 minus X square plus X square. Okay. So now this I can write here 256 is equal to 144, 12 square is 12 into 12. Next this is square and root get cancelled. You are going to get here plus 36 minus X square plus 24 into root of 36 minus X square plus X square. So X square minus X square will be 0. Now the remaining part I am going to write here So what is the leftover part here? 36 transposed to this side. Before that we are going to add these two. Okay. So here now I can write 256 is equal to 144 plus 36 gives you 180, and this is nothing but 24 into root of 36 minus x square. So this is nothing but 256 minus 180, shifting to this side, is equal to 24 into 36 minus x square is nothing but our k here by 1. This is nothing but our CD. We will consider it as last. So this is our k. So this implies this gives you 76 is equal to 24k. Now this is a linear equation, one variable, nothing but simple equation. Here I am going to get k is equal to now 76 by 24. So after cancellation in a 4 table I am going to get 99.6. So k is equal to 19 by 6. But here what is our k? We have been considered. K is nothing but our CD. Okay. So this implies CD is equal to 19 by 6. So if you go through the options, this is our C option. So this is our answer. So this have been taken by equation 1. And this is nothing but, let's CD is equal to K and AD is equal to X. I have taken here, that I am marking here. So these two I have been gone through this one and this one. I have gone through the Pythagoras theorem which you study in 10th standard and even in 8th and 9th standard. Okay. So in this way we can go through the problem, and here BD is nothing but, by the figure I can write BD is equal to BC plus CD. From the figure BD is equal to BC plus CD. So once you have a look, so please viewers, I hope that you like a lot this one, 100% guaranteed. So don't get afraid. Whatever the knowledge it may be with the regular syllabus, even though it is an Olympiad question in TSC 2016-17, it is purely connected to your regular syllabus. Okay. So after watching the video, please like, share, subscribe and comment our S Square Maths YouTube channel. Thank you. See you again later.